Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add leading zeros to a column of numbers in Excel in just a few simple steps. Start by selecting the range of cells you want to format, in this case, cells A1 to B6. You'll see the selected range highlighted with a blue border. Right-click on the selected range to open the context menu. A menu appears with several formatting and editing options. Click Format Cells to open the Format Cells dialog. The Format Cells window opens with multiple tabs across the top. Click Custom in the category list to access custom number formatting options. The right side of the dialog now shows a Type field and a list of existing custom formats. Click into the Type Input field at the top of the dialog. Type 5 zeros into the Type field. This sets the total number of digits you want displayed. The number of zeros determines how many digits appear, padding shorter numbers with leading zeros. Click OK to apply the custom format, and your numbers now display with leading zeros. The number of zeros you type determines how many digits will show. If you need 6-digit numbers, type 6 zeros. If your original number is longer than the format you specified, Excel will display the full number without truncation, so you won't lose any data. You can always remove the leading zeros later by selecting the cells again, opening Format Cells, and choosing General from the category list. This formatting method is purely visual, meaning the underlying value in each cell remains unchanged. Formulas that reference these cells will still use the original numbers. And that's how to add leading zeros to a column of numbers in Excel. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.